Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Shopware 6 live order pop-up notification plugin. Using this particular plugin, the admin of the Shopware store will be able to enable and display the sales and ratings notifications at the storefront to the customers. The customers on the other hand can see the live order notifications of products. Customers can see the live rating notifications as well. Apart from that, the admin can enable or disable the sales and rating pop-up separately from the configuration settings of the Shopware 6 live order pop-up notification plugin from the Shopware admin backend panel. The customer's name can be hidden from the notifications. The customers will be able to go on to the product whose notifications are being popped up. The admin can hide the customer details from notification pop-ups as required. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin. That's the Shopware 6 live order pop-up notification plugin at the storefront, and I'll also be showing you the initial configuration settings that are required for this particular plugin in the admin backend panel. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So you can see that I'm at the storefront of the Shopware web store right now, and here I'll be able to see the notification pop-ups for the product on the right hand side, and the pop-up notifications for the product reviews on the left hand side with the ratings, the name of the customer, the product name, the price. The same goes with the product notification. The customer name is there, the product name is there, the price and the purchase date is as well visible to the customers there. From the pop-up notifications, the customers can tap on any of the notifications there or on the product so as to open that particular product in another window there. The same goes with the notification pop-ups as well. So if I hover my mouse, you can see that I'm able to click this up and I'll be redirected to the push it messenger bag if I want. So for example, if I open the stylish jacket, I'll be able to open it up. This is the one that we had initially opened. That was the main product with advanced pricing. This is the stylish jacket that we had opened up. The same is opened up. Now the admin has the option to set the delay time between two successive pop-ups. So we have set the delay time as 5 seconds between two successive pop-ups there, or 2 seconds basically, and the display time for each pop-up has been set to 5 seconds. So for each pop-up, the pop-up would be displayed till 5 seconds, and then after that it will be removed, and after 2 seconds another pop-up would be displayed for the product. Similarly for the product review as well on the left hand side. So you can configure whether you want to show it on the bottom left hand corner, top left hand corner, top right hand corner, or bottom right hand corner. It depends upon your configuration settings there. So this was the workflow of the Shopware 6 live order pop-up notification plugin at the storefront, and I showed you how the admin of the Shopware store will be able to enable and display the sales and ratings notifications at the storefront to the customers there. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see how the admin would be able to initially configure this particular plugin in the Shopware backend panel after the successful installation of the same. So for that, let me take you to the admin backend panel now. And let's log into the admin backend panel by entering the username, password, and tapping on the login button thereafter. After the successful login, let me cancel this out, and this one, we have to navigate to settings. Under settings, we'll go to extensions, and here we have this live sale notification. Here we have the general settings, sales pop-up setting, ratings pop-up settings. So we have 3 different sections here to configure. So the very first option here is the general settings, here wherein we can enable the live order pop-up notification plugin functionality for our store by choosing this option as enabled. Otherwise, to disable this pop-up notification functionality within our stores for our products and for our product reviews, we can set it as disabled. Then we have display name. Now here you can show someone instead of the customer's name on the pop-ups that we are seeing on the store front end. The live order notification pop-ups that we are seeing, on those pop-ups we are able to see the customer name. So you can basically hide the customer name by choosing this option as disabled, or you can choose to display the customer name by choosing it as enabled. Otherwise, to display something else or someone instead of the customer name, then you can choose show someone instead of the customer name within the display name section here. Then we can set up the display time for each pop-up in seconds. The delay time between two successive pop-ups can be set. The notification limit can be set, how many notifications that you want to display to the customers at the storefront. You can also display the pop-ups on the mobile if you want by enabling this particular option as enabled. Otherwise you can display it to not allow to display on the mobile there, the pop-up notifications. Then we have allow order product date. So you can basically display the order product date as well. So when the order was or the product was ordered by the customer, that date along with the time stamp can be showed on the live order pop-up notification as well. Then we have the sales pop-up. Under the sales pop-up, you can enable the sales pop-up by enabling this option. You can choose the pop-up position as bottom right, top left, top right, bottom left or bottom right as per your own requirement. You can set up the text color, the link color, the background color as well for the pop-up. The same goes with the rating pop-up. For the rating pop-up, you can set up the it as enabled or disabled. Choose the position of the rating pop-up as top left, top right, bottom right. Set the text color, link color and the background color of the pop-up there. Now the link color would be the link color for the product link itself. The text color would be the text color and the background color would be the background color of the notification there. And after configuring these settings here, you just need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings, and accordingly after that the particular pop-up notifications for the sales pop-up as well as for the ratings pop-up would be displayed to the customers at the storefront. So for example, if we are setting it as show someone instead of customer name here, and we are saving this configuration for example, and now let's go to the storefront. So here you can see buy someone for variant product, the rating pop-up. Someone bought main product, price, date on which it was the product was purchased, and the date. Buy someone, the rating was given on the main product, price is there, date and time span is there, right? If you want, you can also hide the what we say as the let me show you. We can also hide the order product date. We can set it at disable and we can save it up. And let's go back and let's refresh the page once. And let me open the page once again. So you can see that the time span, the date and the timestamp has been removed from the pop-up notifications here. Now if I go ahead and set it as enabled, show someone instead of someone instead of the customer name as enabled to display the customer name, and I save this up. I come back to this particular section and open the home page there. So we are having buy John Doe for product name on the date, on the particular date for the notification, and for the same for the order notification as well, the main product, the price, purchase date and the time span as well. So yes, that was much about the Shopware 6 live order and the review notification plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this particular plugin allows the admin of the Shopware store to enable and display the sales and rating notifications at the storefront to the customers, and how the customers can see the live order notifications of products and live rating notifications as well. So if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com as well. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.